Hi, Vieira with StockMarketLive.tv. Today we are going to discuss the stock forecast that ended Hewlett Packard bull market. It does not take long, just 3 minutes. You are going to watch the forecast. But before I do it, we are going to discuss one of the most important books in 2015, Phishing for Fools, from Robert Shiller, one Nobel laureate. We are going to analyze here the book. I'm talking about this one. You can read it on the Wall Street Journal. It is an interview, and he mentions some of the principles that I've been discussing here for 2 decades, behind not only the case study that you are going to see, Hewlett Packard, as well as hundreds or thousands of them recently. For example, the crash in Twitter, when Wall Street was fishing for fools to buy Twitter ahead of a crash, or Yelp, or GoPro, or Umbrella, or Lululemon, and so on. So I strongly recommend you to read the book, to buy the book, because it illustrates the principles, or some of the principles that we have been discussing in our methodology for years. You have an article on the blog StockMarketLive.tv. Is Hewlett Packard a buy or a sell? Well, you just have to read. And Mary, she subscribed to this service, Live Markets, last week. And Hewlett Packard announced that they were firing a large number of employees and reducing costs. Shares, they were up more than 5%. She called me and I said, you just have to read the article. And 48 hours later, shares were down more than 7%. So we are going to see when to sell shares of Hewlett Packard in 2014. I created the stock forecast. We have a long history investing in Hewlett Packard. I upgraded the shares of this company at $11.80 when Wall Street, in fact, was downgrading the stock. And shares last year, they were trading at 33. They went to $40, and Wall Street upgraded to $52. And we announced that Hewlett Packard was no longer a buy, but instead a wonderful opportunity to sell and to go short the stock. And that happened within the range of $37 to $40. And today Hewlett Packard is a stock trading. This is the Friday price, $26.50, while Wall Street maintained strong buy ratings in Hewlett Packard. What is funny is that today there are plenty of articles on the web, some hedge funds that they claim that they have been short Hewlett Packard. Well, but no one out there is able to demonstrate, in fact, the stock forecast that reversed the course once again Hewlett Packard, because we have been discussing here Hewlett Packard for years and we never missed one single call. So I'm going to show you precisely this stock forecast, 3 minutes long. So today I'm going to record live the outlook for this company, Hewlett Packard, that has been here strong buy, long term. And you will remember that this was a former top short pick, where I bet on the collapse all the way down to $11.60 to $11.80, when then I created a case study, and I upgraded this company then to strong buy, considering that the stock was profoundly undervalued at that time, basically 2 years ago. Since then, this stock rallied significantly. The last buying opportunity, in my opinion, it was in 2013, when the stock collapsed from $27 to $20.70. So that was also a selling short opportunity, just to mention, for those that they have not been here in the service, very large profit on the short side with a very specific price target, $20.70. Well, meanwhile, this stock rallied to a new high in 2014. I said that my target for 2014 to be $33 to $35 at most. And today this is precisely the price that we get in Hewlett Packard.
So I'm downgrading this stock because I don't consider it a buying opportunity anymore. That is to say, if the stock, in my opinion, continues moving higher, it will turn into a selling short opportunity and not in a buying opportunity. So that is my personal opinion regarding Hewlett Packard, and I think that you should take profits to close entirely long positions and to forget about Hewlett Packard. The stock is not cheap anymore, the stock does not have to crash, but the stock is not a good buy. Okay, so I refuse to open here long positions in Hewlett Packard. I repeat that the stock was a great buy a few months ago in October, and I also think that the risk of maintaining here a long position with Packard is considerable, even if the stock goes to $35 or 36 or 37, because then the stock can reverse, and or even can reverse at today or tomorrow, because I don't see great value to, quite frankly, to maintain a long position in Hewlett Packard. So I'm downgrading the stock, neutral to sell. Since I don't see any further, I'm not interested to have a long position with Packard going forward. And in fact, the stock, if it continues rising, today you have a new 52-week high, I would say that is quite risky, because those that they meanwhile historically invested in Hewlett Packard, it is also possible by closing the long positions in Hewlett Packard to reverse direction of trading, and therefore to open short positions in Hewlett Packard.
So this case study could obviously also be named Phishing for Fools, the art of deceiving investors by Wall Street firms, while we were describing in detail when to sell Hewlett Packard, when to go short, and it worked, as it worked always, and it was going to work. Thank you.